like this.
I don't know why you did this. Why did you do this?
I don't know. I just saw the handcuff. I just saw.
Christopher, I don't know how in the world. I'm trying to figure this out. Let's see.
The only way we can fix it is cutting my hand off.
Well, if you wouldn't have been messing with stuff that you had no business messing with, your circulation would be cut off. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, now the thing is stuck. Christopher, what in the world? I got it. I think we have to call the police and get them to get it off.
Rip his hand off?
No, the police come and bring a key. Because these are real handcuffs. I don't have a key for it.
I thought they were going to rip his hand off.
Don't make it any worse, Mikey. Oh, no, I made it tight again.
Oh. I love you.
I think we have to call the police, Chris.
Please, just do it.
I tried to do it. I can't get it off of you. I don't even know why you was messing with
I
stuff.
just want you to call them.
Let me just call them until they come get cut it off. Take it off.
Yeah, but...
How does this one work? This one doesn't work. All the way around. Okay. And this one is on. Okay. Oh my gosh. This poor kid, I swear. I don't know what you were thinking. This one stop.
Put your hand out now.
Thank you.
Put your hand back in there.
No.
I love you too.
Oh!
I love you too.
It's gonna sting. Oh my God.
Don't cry.
Guess what happened?
I'm happy too. Don't cry, it's okay. Let me see.
This man pooped on himself.
It's okay. Alright, so you're not gonna mess in mommy's stuff anymore, right? You're gonna leave stuff alone? Okay. Okay.
Alright, bro.